Welcome back to the Nerd Herd. We have today a very exciting unboxing video. We got the Nest Hello, and we have the Nest Yale Lock. Now, before we get right into the unboxing, please give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow and we really appreciate all the support. So let's dive right into it. Now, the first we're gonna do is gonna be the Nest Hello. Now, the reason I chose this one over the competition is for a couple reasons. The first reason that I really got it for is it records video in 4:3 instead of 16:9. Most of the competitions like Rain, for example, they record 16:9, which a lot of people think that's a good thing, but in reality, it actually doesn't show as much as the floor as possible. So you get like a better view of what's happening with a 4:3 ratio. The other reason that I really like about this one over the competition also is that it records video in HDR. And that might not be a big deal for most people, but it does give you a better look of what's happening, so you get better details that way. So that's the reason I went with this one. And I'm sure that there's plenty of them out there. They'll do the job right, but in my preference, I felt like this one's the better one. Ooh, look at that. That is freaking cool. I'm really digging this. Very excited for this. I've been meaning to buy one of these for years. Now let me see. Take this bad boy out. Okay, very cool. Right there. Let's see what comes in the box right here. Of course, you got some instructions how to do this. Very important. And then in here we got. Okay. All right, looks like you got all the tools you need. Comes already in there. As a matter of fact, they even included a drill bit, which is pretty cool. And of course, you got in here your base, which with the instructions, it will explain how that works. And then of course, you got this module. This is actually what's gonna connect your doorbell right to it, so that when somebody presses, it automatically activates the camera. So very cool. Very exciting to see how this works, and I will be dropping a video on a review talking about what I like about the product. But so far, very excited for this. So now that we got that one out of the way, let's go now to the Nest Yale Lock. I'm very excited for this one, and the main reason really is because there's too many people that have keys to my house, and I'm sick and tired of giving keys away. I would just rather give you a code, or if you come into my house, let me know and I'll open the door for you with an app. And my friend Ben has been doing that for years on his house, and I always thought it was one of the coolest things ever. So I finally, decided to do that. So right here, actually right in here, I'm not gonna open this. This is just modules. It's not much to see this that you need to get into the internet. What I do want to open is this part right here, which is the actual lock itself. And right here. There we go. All right, instructions, very important. We're gonna leave that to the side. But this is the actual piece that we're interested in right here. So this actually comes in two pieces. You got the part that is gonna go, oh my goodness, how can I get this out? There we go. So this is a piece that, where you get the buttons, so that way you can put your code, right? And this goes actually where the door knob is. However, this is the part that actually makes all the magic happens, which is the actual deadbolt. Right there. So this is what's actually going to make it open and close, and you can use your app, or if you have a code for the house, you can put the code and it will open. Very cool. And that's pretty much it. Now they do use four AA batteries, which they're nice enough to include in the box to get you started. They do last a long time, and whenever the batteries are going low, it will give you a notification on your app to let you know so you can change it. But that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch it with us. And if you like the videos, please give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much, and you have a wonderful day.